So you can use this free tool along with one other website to make a full-time income online. This method is working worldwide, and all you need for this method to work is a computer and an internet connection. Now I want you to watch this video and stay until the end because I'm going to give you some valuable information. I'm going to show you a free tool that we can use to earn a full-time income online. This is a tool that you've never seen before on the channel, so make sure you leave a like if it is helpful, make sure you subscribe if you're new and turn on notifications, and with all that being said, we'll jump to my computer. So for this method to work, there are going to be 2 to 3 websites that we're going to need to use. Now they all connect together, but it isn't going to be complicated. But you do need to watch it all. If you skip any steps, you're just not going to make any money. So just make sure you watch all of the video. I'm not just saying that to boost my watch time. You actually need to watch it because the steps that I'm going to show you here are vital. So first, I'll show you website number 1. Website number 1 is a website called upleap.com. So this website is going to be our main website that we're going to be using to make money. Now this website allows people to get more followers on Instagram with a dedicated account manager. But don't worry, this method doesn't involve us creating our own Instagram account. We don't have to post any content. We don't have to sell anything through Instagram. What we're going to do is we're going to use the Upleap affiliate program to make reoccurring commission. Now I'm going to show you here how you can make big money with this program because they offer reoccurring commission, they have high price points, so you can make a lot of money over and over again every single month. I love reoccurring affiliate programs because once you get somebody signed up to it, and if they carry on with that reoccurring subscription, you're going to earn money for every month they stay signed up. Now, I'm not going to waste your time explaining Upleap. You can go and check that out for yourself when you've watched this video. But what you want to do is you want to scroll all the way down, and we need to go to their affiliate program here. So once we're here, it's going to give us an overview of what we need to do. So we can become an affiliate for free. It's simple, and all you need to do is sign up, and then we can expect recurring affiliate commissions. And here's the kicker, we'll get recurring affiliate commissions for the lifetime of each new subscriber. So once we've signed up, we can then generate our custom URL, we can then share our URL everywhere, and then we can track our earnings and get paid, and we can earn 30% commission for every month that they stay subscribed to Upleap. So what I want to do is I want to show you how much 30% commission actually is on this service. So if we go back to the home page, we then go to pricing here, and we scroll down, you can see you can pay monthly or you can pay yearly. So if somebody gets the $99 per month plan, let's just round it up to 100, you're going to earn $30 per month here. If someone was to buy the $69 per month, that would be, just times by 30%, that would be $20 per month. So you can see the power of this program, and you can see if you get 100 people signed up, you can start to make a lot of money every month here. And once you've put in the work, it's going to be passive income from there because they're going to stay signed up to the service. Now, you can even pay yearly, like these people can even go and pay yearly. So if they brought the premium yearly plan, they'd pay $709 and you would get 30% of that. So you can get a massive chunk of money if people go and buy a yearly plan. So go and sign up for their affiliate program. You can just click this button and you can go and fill out this form and sign up for an affiliate program. You can see it's very easy. You don't have to enter in much information, just your first name, last name, email and password. So once you've done that, we can now go on to step number 2. Now here is where the free tool is going to come into play. What you want to do, you want to go to Google and you want to search for Google CSE. Once you've done that, click on the first listing, it's going to be Google CSE. Now, most of you probably haven't seen this before, you probably don't know what this is, but let me explain it. It's actually very simple, and it's going to allow us to earn commissions from Upleap here, loads easier than if we were to do what this program does manually. So what we can do here, we can go to add, and we need to type in here Instagram.com. So if we type www.instagram.com, this program here is then going to scrape the whole of Instagram for a search term, which we'll get onto in a second. So type in Instagram.com, then go ahead and click create here. Once you've done that, you're going to be given 3 different options. The one we want to choose is view it on the web, so click public URL here, and it will take you to this page here. Now once you're on this page, you need to search for a specific search term. Now that search term is business owner, and then in speech marks you want to type Gmail. So once you do that, click search, and it will bring up some results here. So now we have 6,000 results, and these are all from Instagram, and these are all profiles of business owners who have their Gmail link in their bio. So I'm just going to open one of these here. So we'll open one, in fact I'll open two, just to give you an example across multiple profiles. So here we have a business owner with 3,300 followers. She is an influencer. She does food, fashion, and faith. Now you can see she has 3,000 followers, which in the grand scheme of Instagram isn't a lot. And she is the perfect client who could use this service here, Upleap. So what we would do is we will grab our affiliate link and we can go and contact these business owners and introduce them to Upleap. Now remember, Upleap will give you a dedicated account manager. It doesn't give you fake followers, it gives you an actual dedicated account manager. So when you're pitching to these guys and you tell them they're going to get a dedicated account manager, they're going to jump on that opportunity and your conversions are going to be really high. Here is the second one I clicked on here. This is Charlotte, again with 3,000 followers. She's got her email in her bio, and she is a hair manager and business owner. So you can see she's kind of grown her Instagram, but if she used Upleap and if she used the service here, she could be growing it a lot faster. So what you need to do, you need to go ahead and copy her email, and you need to go to your own email. Now once you're on your email, you want to go ahead and paste in her email. And for the subject here, you just want to write business inquiry. So once you've done that, you now need to write to Charlotte and try and picture the idea of going with Upleap to get a dedicated account manager. So you want to write an email along the lines of something like this. Hey Charlotte, I wanted to reach out to you because your Instagram caught my attention. I see you're currently on 3K followers, which is amazing. I think you can do better though. Instagram has made it harder to compete with these big accounts because they all have teams of people. Personally, I'm using Upleap, which grows your account with a dedicated account manager. Maybe give that a shot. And then what you would do is you would write your affiliate link here. Now all you're trying to do here with this email is get her to click on your link, which will take her to Upleap. Now once you get her to Upleap, Upleap are then going to do all of the selling. I mean, their website is designed to convert visitors into paying customers. That's what they do, right? You're just trying to get these people into the door, and you're just trying to get them to go to Upleap. Because Upleap has a cookie, and I believe the cookie is 30 days, even if she clicks off the website and she goes back on it 15 days later, you're still going to get a commission for that, and if she stays signed up, you're going to get reoccurring commissions for as long as she stays signed up. Now with this search engine here, you can go and target all of these. You could put this into a mass email program, and you can send out hundreds of emails at a time and target all of these business owners here. I think it's worth experimenting in different niches. I definitely think this is a viable option. All you need to do is put in a little bit of work, send out a couple of emails, and you can start to get reoccurring commission from Upleap over and over again every single month. So I hope that video did help you out. If it did, make sure you leave a like, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications. If you want another video and a new method to follow, watch this one here, and I'll see you all in the next one.